Welcome to the Seica booth here at SMT Hybrid Packaging. Delighted to be joined by Luca Corley, the Director of Global Sales. Good to see you, Luca.
Good to see you, Trevor.
Yeah.
It's always a pleasure.
Yeah. Always new things happening here, that's for
Always.
sure. You're one of the fastest growing companies in this industry at the moment.
Wow.
But we're here to look at a new product.
Yep.
Miniaturization's making boards getting smaller. Makes it perfect sense that we're going to make smaller testers for smaller boards.
Yeah, this is exactly what our customers are asking, you know. They say, I have a small product, I want a small tester for it.
Right.
But I want a tester that can grow eventually if my volumes are increasing.
Mm-hmm.
So here is the perfect solution that we are presenting for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
It's called Compact Slim, so it goes into the compact line that was already existing.
Right.
It's another box with another concept. So 30 centimeters width only. So half of the previous generation of machines that were called Compact TK. A different system automated for fixture. You can put a board which is 200 by 300 millimeters maximum, 640 pin counts.
Yep.
But the interesting part is that if you need more capacity, you just add another one or 3 or 4 just on the side, pack each other. So in 1 meter and 20 centimeter, you can have 4 stations, and eventually you can put a cobot in front to service each machine.
Really?
So you start from something small and cheap, and then you increase.
Right, so you're introducing automation, full automation into the testing process. So this could literally work in line.
Absolutely. It's another way to be in line. Starting from a manual configuration, this machine can be used by a manual operator, of course. And when you need, only when you need the automation, you can couple this with a cobot. And Seica can provide the turnkey solution, the full application. Machine, fixture, cobot, everything working in one solution.
Really, that's quite incredible. I love the way it's scalable, the way that it's automatic, and presumably then you can bring in the data off of the machine back into the MES systems and the CFX and these types of things.
Absolutely, it's CFX compliant. Seica is part of the CFX group, and we also have all of our systems. They have an embedded box, which is shown here. It's a Seica product that is monitoring the status of the machine. We can easily communicate to an external server power consumption, temperature of the machine, status of the machine, the status of the lights of the machine, to understand if the machine is operating, is waiting for boards, or it needs repair or service.
Excellent. Okay, so that's a wonderful new addition to your portfolio.
Yeah.
Taking a look across your booth, you've also got some new changes with the Firefly at the other side. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah. In fact, we have a new generation called Next, Firefly Next. After 12 years of being in the laser selective soldering market, we have completely renewed our platform with a new system where the laser technology has been changed. Instead of a solid spot, we have a donut spot. And now we can couple the selective soldering machine with an AOI technology inspection inside or outside. It's called the DragonFly. Here you have the box of the standalone machine, but into the Firefly I can have the same technology, so my soldering machine can release boards already inspected for the solder joints that she has made.
So you can have the standalone AOI system, the DragonFly there, or you can take the cameras and components out of it and mount it into into the Firefly.
Correct.
But that's depending on the board size and configuration.
Yes. In fact, when we integrate the AOI into the Firefly, we limit the soldering area, but it's typically enough, especially in automotive, where products are pretty much small, and products typically soldered in this machine are already integrated into their box.
Right.
So the typical technology of selective soldering through mini waves is not applicable because you have plastic boxes, you have, and in that case the Firefly is the perfect application. Small products, on the side I have a camera inspecting what I've soldered with my laser.
Excellent. Okay, so final bit of news before I let you go, Luca, is that Seica continues to expand, and I believe you've opened a new facility over in Massachusetts.
Yes.
Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, yesterday we just opened a new facility, a new building in Haverhill, Massachusetts. Before we were just across the border in New Hampshire. Now we have a much bigger space. We have down there about 30 people now. And it's our main subsidiary other than France, Germany, China, and Mexico. And we'll start building also test fixtures over there. So we have a sales office, we have showroom, we have, of course, support people. And to be close to our customers more and more, we do also test fixtures for ICT and functional test.
Right. Yeah. So you can do the test fixtures locally and get them out quickly to the local area. Yeah.
It's very important to be close to the customers because, you know, products are continuously changing. Nothing is frozen. There is a modification every day, and you need to be very close with your manufacturing, especially for applications, for fixtures, to react quickly to the changes.
Yeah, absolutely. Luca, it's a pleasure as always, and great to see this new product. I mean, I think it's a perfect fit for today's environment.
Thank you very much, Trevor.
Okay,
See
thank
you
you.
next time.